Hey everyone, welcome to this tutorial on how to create a dynamic drop-down list Excel. Drop-down lists are a great way to simplify data entry, but creating a dynamic one can save you a lot of time and effort. In this video, I will show you how to create a drop-down list that automatically update based on the contents of another cell. Let's get started. First up is creating a drop-down list to create your create your data. In this example, we will use a list of names, so I'm going to use here, and with this name I'm going to show you how to create a dynamic drop down list. And let me just use, so what I'm gonna do, I'm gonna use here, let me just use the insert another one and use the name here. Then what I'm gonna do, I'm gonna just select it, and you can just select this one and create as a table with the two-way. Like first one is click on the here first column, then use the Ctrl T, and when I press the Ctrl 3, it automatically select the range where it's a data for your table is selected. You can do just go to the insert, and from the insert and hit on the table, and you can use, and it will come up with as a selection area for creating a table. So this way you can create. Now I'm going to use the Ctrl T, and now it's selection. Then what I'm going to do, I'm going to use it the name, the first header, like my table has header, so click on that. Now it's done here, the name list, and here is the few name. Let me check the name. So what I'm going to do, go to the formulas, and from the formulas use the name manager, that the create, edit, delete, and find all names used in the workbook. Name can be used in formula as substitute for a cell reference here. Okay, for now I'm just click on that, and here you can say this is the table one, and you can just rename it whatever you like go to there and use the table, like, and then like if I use this is now the name date data, or you I can say the data table, the date. Okay, hit on the OK. Now you see this is the data table. Then what I'm gonna do, you can see this is the data table. Close it. I will make here the search option or dynamic drop down list. So how can I do? Just I'm gonna use here the name, and I will make here before that I just custom with color, and I'm giving you the another color. Okay, for now I'm using this one. Then here I will make a drop down. Then what I'm going to do, I'm gonna do here the drop down list, then go to the date data, and from the data use the data validation, and here I'm going to use the data validation and use the settings and use the arrows and list. What I'm going to do, just use the, before that I will do just select this one, then use the formula, and from the formula I'm use the define name, the define name and appeals name. Click on that. This is the name, or I can use and hit on the OK. Just use this. Okay, then what I'm gonna do, use the data and go to the data validation, and from the validation criteria use the list and take out the ignore blank, and let me just use this one and use the F3, and this is already I made it to the name, so I'm using the name. Click on that, hit on the OK. Now you can see it's now as drop down list until the Abram. So okay, let me check it. So it's only find out the Abram. It's if I type something like David, so let me just see it will come or not. Here it comes because it gives the range. It's, and when you input the range or something in your data sheet, so it will come up in your drop down list. And because it's automatically takes the table and it gives you as a search table or drop down list. Okay, so with these steps, just you can easily make the dynamic drop-down list, and that's it. You have just learned how to create a dynamic drop-down list in your Excel. This can be a half time saver when you are working with large amount of data and want to simplify data entry.